This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open the App Store on your iPad and install the Tradingview app. It is free with optional subscription tiers. After installation, launch the app and sign in with your Tradingview account or create one using email or Google to preserve layouts. Go to iPad settings and enable notifications for Tradingview so price and alert messages arrive as push notifications. Grant location only if using local news features. Keep the app updated in App Store to ensure compatibility with the latest charting tools and indicator libraries. Tap any chart to open full-screen charting, then choose a layout and timeframe like 1H or daily to match your trading horizon. Use pinch to zoom and two-finger drag for precise scrolling and panning, and toggle crosshair mode for exact price reads. Open the Indicators menu, search by name, and add moving averages, RSI, or MACD. Configure input lengths such as 50 or 200 and color settings. Save your indicator set as a template so you can apply the same setup instantly to other charts. Create watch lists by tapping the star and grouping symbols. Add symbols like OPL, BTCust, and reorder them by drag to prioritize. To set alerts, long press a price level or use the Alert button. Specify condition, limit price, expiration, and choose webhook URL or push notification delivery. Save full chart layouts to the cloud so your templates and indicators sync between iPad and desktop automatically. Regularly export CSV for trade logs. Use two-factor authentication for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.